Welcome to the Yi Dance hair bun tutorial. In this video, you're going to be needing a few things to complete the beautiful ballet bun look. So you need open bobby pins like these ones, closed bobby pins like these, and clips like these, as well as hair elastics like these, and hair nets like the ones here, as well as a hairbrush, hairspray, and a squirt bottle. You can get these little packages at Yi Dance at the front desk if you would like your own hair kit. We begin by taking a little bit of gel into our hands and running it through our hair to really help to keep everything in place. Then we're going to take our brush and smooth out the hair, starting to bring it towards the shape of a medium to low ponytail. This look is great for an exam or a performance when you don't want to have the bun too high and you want to have a nice clean look. So once we've gathered the hair into a ponytail with our hand, we can start to take a brush or a comb and brush back all of the loose hairs into the ponytail. And yeah, it's really important that you try to eliminate all the bumps so it's as smooth as possible, and try to make sure you grab all the little baby hairs underneath the ponytail, at the front of the head, around the forehead area. And then we're going to tie the ponytail. Lovely. And we want to make sure that it's nice and tight. So try to do as many rotations of the elastic as possible. And then you tighten that ponytail just a little bit to make sure everything is secure. And then we're going to start to wrap the hair around the ponytail and put the hairnet over top. And we're going to just do that one more time so you can really see it nice and clearly. We take the ponytail and then we twist it, and then we start to wrap it around the ponytail so it almost looks like a little timbit or a circle sphere. And then we're going to take that hairnet and pull it over the hair, and making sure that we've included all of the flyaways. So there's no hair sticking out of the hairnet. All the hair is inside of the hairnet. If you've done that, you can start to take the open bobby pin. So that's the one where there's a little space between the legs of the bobby pin. And what we're going to do, we're going to show you right now, is you take a bobby pin, you poke it through the edge of the hairnet where the bun is, and then you're going to tilt the bobby pin out towards the side and then push it in towards the center of the ponytail. So again, you can see we're grabbing a little bit of the edge of the bun of the hairnet there, then we tilt it down so that it's flat against the skull, and then we push the bobby pin in towards the center of the ponytail. So one more time, take a little bit of that hairnet, pull that pin out to the side, and then push it in towards the center of the ponytail. So you really have a really nice secure bun. As you can see here, we're taking gel now that we've done our pins, and we're really trying to sweep back and smooth out any wispies that you might have. And I can't stress how important hairspray and gel is, because water is really not enough to make those wispies stay, especially for people who have wispy hair or thick hair. You want to make sure that you're really using something strong like gel to make sure that everything stays in place. So now you can see here Miss Frances is taking her wispies and she's smoothing them back with her hand, and then using a closed bobby pin. This is the one where the legs are side by side and tight together, and then she's just pulling the wispies back and using the closed bobby pin to hold those wispies in place. Yeah, so we're just gonna show you her doing it. At the bottom here, this is a really good area. You want to make sure you get some flat bobby pins closed bobby pins in here. As she grabs her wispies, she's going to do a little twist. This really helps to, get all the hairs together. And then she's going to take that flat closed bobby pin and see how amazing that looks now. The wispies are away from her neck. Everything is nice and clean and smooth. She's going to do it on the other side. Take the wispies, maybe do a little twist so they all stay together. Take the flat bobby pin and push it up so that the wispies are away from the neck. Lovely. And now she's going to do a couple at the front of her head. And that is the complete look. Look at that beautiful, clean, pristine bun. Now she's ready for dance.
Hi, we're back! This time with a hair tutorial to help you feel beautiful and professional. Hi, I'm Miss Frances.
And I'm Miss Angela. Today we'll be learning how to do your hair, why it's important, and the benefits you'll receive from doing your hair properly.
That's right, Miss Angela. The importance of doing your hair properly and professionally is essential to being a successful ballet dancer. Miss Angela, can you describe why it's so important to our viewers?
First and foremost, when we feel beautiful and professional, it impacts the way that we dance, and it also impacts the way others perceive us. Dance is a visual medium, and as such, we must deliver in a pristine way physically. For example, if you spent a good amount of money on tickets for the ballet, and when you got there, everyone looked a mess, hair all over the place, costumes in disarray, I think you'd want a refund, and you certainly wouldn't take those dancers very seriously.
The same is true in a dance studio space. A teacher or an examiner will look more favorably upon a dancer who took the time to make their appearance presentable and polished. If not, it seems as though you care less about the work and you're not taking your dance training seriously.
Exactly. And for younger students, it serves a more practical purpose of not being a distraction for students and their classmates. They'll be less likely to play with their hair or need to push it out of their faces, and they certainly will not put the whole class on hold asking the teacher to fix their hair.
Most importantly, when we look the part, we act the part. Creating a beautiful ballerina look can have a big impact on the way the child or a young adult perceives themselves and can inspire them to be better dancers.
Yes, exactly, Miss Frances.
See you at the studio soon!